I wanted to open this door. No, actually, I needed to open this door because I was going somewhere and I had to go through this door to get there. So I did what I'd always done before. I took hold of the doorknob and I turned it like this, but it didn't open. So I turned the doorknob a little harder, and I pushed a little harder like this, but it still wouldn't open. So I turned the knob as hard as I could, then I pushed as hard as I could like this. But then an idea popped into my head like this. What if I tried a whole different way of opening this door?